Hey guys, I'm Aakriti and welcome back to my channel. So for this video today I'll be doing my full face of makeup using only 3 products. So I've been seeing this kind of a video or challenge. I don't know if it's a challenge. Do let me know in the comment section below if it is a challenge. I don't know. Also guys, if you're wondering about this backdrop, that video is going to be up very soon. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do, and also press that bell notification to never miss an update from me. So moving to the video guys, so the first product, that is the foundation, which is this Blue Heavens. I know this is not the best foundation to use, but since I am like a newbie to makeup and I don't use makeup that often, so I use this one. Moving on to the second product that I'll be using is this eyeshadow palette. This is a pretty basic shimmery eyeshadow palette that you can get from your local stores. That's about it. And the third product, that is the Color Essence lipstick in the shade Coral, which I already mentioned about in my lipsticks video. You can check it out, I'll link it on the screen. So moving to the actual process guys, telling you that I've already primed my face. So moving to the thing that I'll be using is this. So guys, this is what I do. I'm doing a full face of makeup, but whenever I do makeup, I make sure to just apply the makeup only on the affected areas where I want it to be, and not the full face, because like guys, that is how I do makeup, because I don't know, I just do it this way. So the most important part of my face that needs correction is the under eye area guys. I literally look like a panda, like I've never ever slept in ages, but guys, that's just how my eyes are. Is basically done. This is how I do my makeup, base makeup. Now moving to the eyeshadow thing, I will be doing a pretty cute, like a light pink one. So let's do it. I want a beautiful pink color, like a shimmery, very beautiful pink color. Also this brush had a little of blue, so it has mixed into it. That is how stupid I am guys, but I think the color is coming out great as I wanted. So I'm done with my eyeshadow guys. Now I'll be using the lighter one of this eyeshadow to highlight my inner corners of the eye, because it really makes the look much more interesting and makes your eyes look a little bigger. So that's it. I think this looks great. Also using the same thing, I'll be highlighting the bridge of my nose and some cheekbones. I think this works pretty well as a highlighter, and it's done. I think guys, this is looking like really great using only 2 products. Now moving on to my third product, which is the lipstick. Now
so guys, this is the final makeup look using only 3 products. If you like this video, do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel.